What is in this box? Let's find out. You know what this is? This is very exciting. It's the Stylophone Theremin. So I ordered this thing ages ago, like all the other people who ordered it. And then they think they had to build them. It's finally here. Wow. Okay. Let's have a look. So, if we got on the box, there's the box. What does it say? Weird and wonderful sound at your fingertips. Classic analog tone, wild theremin sounds. Use antenna or slide. Drone or trigger notes. Built-in vibrato and delay. Portable. Built-in speaker. Connect headphones or speakers. Stylophone Theremin. Oh, there's a picture of it. That's got all these different controls. Let's get it out. I'll try and open this really carefully. There we go. Oh, wow, it's quite big. What's this? Quick start guide. Turn on, tune, play. Oh, we need lots of batteries. I've got lots of batteries somewhere. Antenna mode. Whoa. And the safety bit. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Right. It's quite big. Chunky thing. Oh yeah, you can put it on a tripod. That's cool. Okay, so this is it. Antenna. Nice. Controls. Oh, that's smooth. Trigger. Decay drone. Nice. So we got on the side volume and power, I guess. Yeah. Headphones. Main out, a separate out for the headphones. That's good. 2 battery things. Oh, nice big logo on the back. Right, let's see if we can get some batteries and get this thing going. Okay, so this is cool. You don't need a screwdriver to get the battery thing, which you sometimes do, don't you? So hopefully these rechargeable batteries are fine. 6 of them. Wow. A lot of batteries. Which it looks like we're stuck with actually. Doesn't seem to be power in anywhere. So we're stuck with using batteries, which is interesting. Somebody made that choice. Right. Some batteries. Let's see what happens if we power on. Oh, yeah. No. Should be. Okay, so we're going to take a bit of fiddling to tune this. Maybe we should go and get the manual. Okay. The pitch dial is in the middle. Modulation is off. One hand is by your side. All the way to the left, very slowly to the right. Yes, there we go. That's cool. Right, let's see what this stuff does. There you go. Stylophone Theremin.